first of all, Radhika, Sunny, welcome to OTT Play.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much.
How's the day is going today?
It's been quite a day. The response has been really, really overwhelming.
Quite beautiful, actually.
Yeah, I know. I can't stop smiling. It's that kind of day. So I'm really grateful right now, यार, कि जो response मिल रहा है and लोग इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतना appreciate कर रहे हैं. Of course you feel good because आपने बहुत मेहनत की होती है and जब वो reciprocate होता है तो it just feels like कि आज मैं ऊपर आसमान.
Right. The trailer is super intriguing and it's beautiful. It's really romantic. Really something which we all needed. You know, I think after a long time I'm seeing something like that, like on OTT. So, tell us something about your characters and also about Mohit and Diana's character, because people are super intrigued. People didn't know that these two are in the movie.
Yeah, they're amazing. Surprise. Yeah, they're amazing.
Tell us about your characters.
Jaggi, you want to start?
You can please take it.
Anyone.
Okay. So Kartika is very cerebral. She just overthinks a lot. She's practical. उसको जो आजकल की generation है,
right?
उसको सारे tick marks होने चाहिए, do's and don'ts, सारी list बनेगी, then ही बंदा approve होगा. So she is more cerebral and it's very different because I am not cerebral at all in real life. So it was quite challenging to play that character. I'm all heart. मैं दिल से मतलब बिक जाती हूँ. But so it was very interesting to play her and portray her on screen.
Okay, Sunny?
Well, Jaggi is all hearts and no cerebral.
That we can see on the trailer.
Yeah, मतलब जग्गी के लाइफ का एक ही है यार, उसे कार्तिका से प्यार है तो उसे कार्तिका से प्यार है, and that becomes his motivation throughout the film. And I think his notion of love is very different than others, you know. And which is very interesting. The relationship between Jaggi and Kartika is that the dynamic उनके, I think the sparky वो है कि they both, I think, value love a lot, but their idea of love is so different in life. So yeah, I mean, Jaggi is it's like Jaggi is because Kartika is.
Oof.
Yeah.
And what about Diana's character? Is he your brother or something in the film?
Oh, ये आपको ये देखने के लिए आपको पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी.
Exactly.
मुझे पता है. थैंक यू. आपने मुझे उसका भाई कहा. मैं उतना हैंडसम नहीं हूँ रियल लाइफ में मुझे जितना, बट थैंक यू सो मच. आई टेक दैट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
You have actually no idea, or you must be being modest, but people are going crazy over you two, obviously, in the country. And after the movie, I'm sure you guys are going to be the new crush of India.
Arey, how sweet, how sweet.
So Shiddat has been associated with Karan Johar's name from quite a long time.
Yeah. Kalank was announced as Shiddat pehle.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. So are we going to see, a little feature जो उनकी movies में होता है, जैसे पत्ते उड़ रहे हैं और हवाएं चल रही है, something like that?
I wish. नहीं
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
I have seen in an old interview that you have this wish, ऐसी कोई scene हो in your life.
जी मेरे बाल जरूर उड़े हैं, बट उन्होंने बहुत अलग तरीके से उड़ाए हैं. मर्द में मैं स्लाइड कर रही हूँ गाड़ी से और मेरे बाल उड़े हैं, तो मेरे को डेब्यू का सीन मिला है यार. इंट्रोडक्शन होता है वो मुझे मिल गया, तो टिक मार्क लग गया. बट हाँ, थोड़ा अलग तरीके से दिखा है, which I'm really glad कि ऐसा हुआ है. बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स सिमिलर टू जो कलंक थी उससे बिल्कुल भी सिमिलर है या उस वर्ल्ड से सिमिलर है. इट्स अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड ऑल टुगेदर. इट्स अ वेरी यंग लव स्टोरी. ऑफ कोर्स अलग अलग तरीके से आप शूट करते हैं, सिर्फ एक ही स्टाइल नहीं है शूट करने का. सो इट्स अ वेरी, यू कांट कंपेयर द टू at all.
Okay, so but the story is something which we have seen earlier, something like that two people meet in another country, and then love story begins, and then बाद में थोड़े issues हो रहे हैं and both are crying. So what is something that we will find new in this one?
I can assure you this much, that you have not seen story like this before.
Okay.
Yeah. बाकी यार, see, if we talk about what is new, तो फिर तो we'll to just give away the whole film to you.
Yeah, exactly. But we can just tell you that the youth is gonna connect to it a lot because we haven't shown love in a cliched way, to be very honest. वरना हम आपको क्यों दिखाते हैं ना, लड़का लड़की मिले, प्यार हो गया, हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर, ऑफ कोर्स आप लोग देख चुके हैं ना. सो जो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस यूथ ने करी हुई है एक सिंपल से प्यार के साथ, आपको वो देखने को मिलेगा. आई थिंक there's a lot of relatability attached to it. And it's very, that we can assure you definitely that it's very different, it's fresh, it's relatable, and people are going to connect to it a lot.
Yeah.
Looking forward to that. And generally in Kunal Deshmukh's film, generally Jo Jannat, it was set something on match fixing or Tum Mile Thi. It was set in the backdrop of Mumbai rain. So
Rain, yeah.
somewhere or another, it's have another side story or something like that.
Does Shiddat have a side story? Does it?
Matlab elements, side story,
Yeah.
but
see, I mean, story
are,
I think a story only works when it has a lot of complex layers to it and a lot of elements in it. It's not just as simple कि girl meets boy, falls in love, girl, but there are many other elements as well that make the movie. So I don't know in Kunal Deshmukh sense if there are any other side stories, but there are a lot of complexities in the film. Yeah.
Okay. And we have seen a lot of cute and steamy scenes as well. How did you guys break the ice?
did we need to, Sunny?
No, we didn't need to. Yeah, we didn't need to break the ice. We were all, yeah, that's what, I remember, we first bumped into each other. हम दोनों को शिद्दत मिल चुकी थी. We were locked for शिद्दत, and then after that we met at a screening. और वहां पे हम दोनों एक दूसरे से मिले, अरे तू शिद्दत में है ना, अरे तू भी शिद्दत में ना, अरे हम दोनों साथ में काम करेंगे ये. So that was our first interaction. उसके बाद में आइस ब्रेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. उसके बाद हम रीडिंग्स कर रहे हैं and then we are like friends and shoot कर रहे हैं. It was all very hunky dory.
Yeah, very comfortable, very effortless. कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं थी कि और the thing was that we both were professionals.
Yeah.
And there was mutual respect. So वो आपका जब आप बहुत आप प्रोफेशनल होते हो, रिस्पेक्ट होती है आपको सामने वाले बंदे की, तो you anyway gain trust.
Correct.
That's true.
So उसमें everything flows effortlessly.
Okay. I wanted to ask that you got your big break on OTT by a series. By a what?
Okay. On OTT, I got my break via series.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
And
yes,
now
yes.
you're
Forgot now.
back with the film on OTT. So how the
Ji.
transition has been?
I mean, there's no transition. I'm an actor. I am here to work on as many stories as possible that I feel connected to,
Right.
So there's no such a transition kind of a thing, because whether if you're shooting for a series or you're shooting for a film, I think apart from number of days कम होने से उसके अलावा ज़्यादा कुछ because Forgotten Army also we shot like a film. We didn't shoot like कि अच्छा ये एक episode अभी खत्म करेंगे एक. We shot it like a film जैसे होती है. Then it was edited into 5 episodes.
Okay. And Radhika, first TV, then films, and now anthologies and whatnot on OTT platforms. So how your journey has been till now?
It's been exciting. It's been challenging and filled with gratitude. And I'm just on this amazing ride and I'm enjoying every second of it.
Okay. And Sunny, our viewers want to know, are you coming back anytime soon with, are you coming with Vicky Kaushal in any of your projects in near future?
Oh, we would love to do something together. Absolutely love to do something together. But I don't think abhi in immediate future anything is happening. But yeah, I mean, I would personally, that's my opinion. If I have to work with, Vicky on screen, it should be something special. We should, as professionally, we should connect on something really special.
Right. And Radhika, this is for you. So we have seen Sunny in a lot of, music videos recently, romantic and tragic music videos.
Yes.
Which high way abhi is pe. So are you planning for something like this in near future?
Soon, very soon.
Okay. And
Very, very soon.
a
Yeah.
little about that, please.
I've already shot for it. We're planning to release it अभी देखेंगे कि क्या होगा लेकिन जब तक नहीं आनी तब तक of course शिद्दत songs are going to be out, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
उस पे आपको हम नाचते गाते रोमांस करते हुए हर चीज में दिखेंगे. So till then enjoy Shiddat's music. I think the music is beautiful and everybody's gonna love it, I hope. Yeah.
Okay. And there's a debate going on from a long time on the censorship on the OTT platforms. What's your take on that? Radhika, you would like to go first?
To be very honest, the reason people got excited about OTT was because आपकी freedom of speech है, आपको जो कहानी दिखानी है आप दिखा रहे.
Right.
And but I also feel that the censorship होनी जरूरी भी है क्योंकि हमारा जो youth है वो देख रहा है and उसके लिए एक supervision required है. It's not कि सिर्फ एक कुछ set of age group देख रहा है. आप gauge नहीं कर सकते कि कौन movie देखेगा आपके ना आपकी एक particular audience के लिए वो movie बनाई हुई होती है. So of course there are like two sides of a coin. So जितने pros होंगे उतने cons भी होंगे.
Right.
So yeah, that is what I feel about it.
Sunny?
I absolutely second Radhika. I was thinking about exactly the same thing that it's theaters में तो आप फिर भी जब जाते हो तो you see the ID card and you know you don't let underage people in, but how do you gauge कि यहाँ पे कौन कैसे देख रहा है? So I think a body is also necessary to see कि क्या कैसे करना है. बाकी I think it's because it's because the whole field is such a new field, the whole OTT field, and then you know उसको govern कैसे करना है, उसको कैसे उस पे क्या rules regulations होने चाहिए. That is also so new that it will take time for us also, for viewers also, for the bodies as well to understand कि क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. I think that's a process. That's not कि एक दिन वाला कि अच्छा ये है ये नहीं है. It's not very black or white. It's going to take time, you know. Like our film industry also, whatever the bodies that are governing the film industry, it developed over the years. ऐसा नहीं एक दिन उठ के सबने बोल दिया कि अच्छा आज ये होगा. It's always a give and take, and you better it, and you better it, and you better it.
And tell us something about your upcoming projects. Sunny, we'll start with you.
Oh, I have Hurdang after this, which will be coming out soon as well. So yeah, so next I'll be seen in Hurdang.
Okay. And what about you, Radhika?
I have a film with Geo right now that I'm shooting for. After that, I have a web show with Maddock again, and I'm doing Kutte with Vishal sir and you know his son Asman is directing it.